Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. Today I've got an exciting tutorial that I know you're going to enjoy. Join me as I demonstrate how to create an LED Spotify song plaque using the sublimation technique. I will show you how to obtain the Spotify code, how to work with the design using a free template, and how to master the sublimation process on both glass and acrylic plaques. And I'm going to start with the process. To work with the design, I like to use the free graphic design program Inkscape. To start, I invite you to visit my blog so you can download the free template. This is an example of how the design is going to look. I'm going to go to File and click on New to open a new canvas. Now go to File again and click on Document Properties. Now here you're going to select the size of the document you're going to be working with. I'm going to select letter size and landscape. Close the window. Now the canvas looks small. You can resize it with the plus or minus sign on the bottom right corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert the template. Remember, you can download this free template from my blog. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. Once downloaded, we're going to insert it. Click on File, then we're going to click on Import, open the folder where we saved it, select it and open it. Click OK. And here is the template. It has two different sizes. Pick the one that fits your plaque. I'm going to show you how to insert the picture. I'm going to customize the small one. To sublimate a 5 by 7 inches plaque, I'm going to click on the square and I'm going to draw a rectangle. Next, I'm going to click on the first arrow. Then I'm going to click on the lock to open it. I'm going to change it from millimeters to inches. Then I'm going to change the measurements to 5 by 7 inches. Click on the lock to lock it. I'm going to change the color and I'm going to send it to the back using this icon. I am using this rectangle as a guide, but at the end we're going to remove it. Now we're going to insert the image. Click on File, Import, open the folder where you have your image, select it and open it. Here click OK. This is a big image because it's saved in high resolution. We're going to resize it. And I'm going to rotate it using this icon above. Now I'm going to select the white square on the template and I'm going to place it on top of the picture. I'm just going to place it on the area that I want to print. Then I'm going to send it to the front. Select both layers, right click and set clip. Erase the text and place the picture on top of the black square. Select both layers, go to the bars on the right and center it horizontally and vertically. Now I'm going to show you how to get the Spotify code. I tried to do it on the computer, but I was not successful. So I'm going to show you how to do it from your phone. Once you have it on your phone, we can send it to our computer, either via email or via Drive. Open the app on your phone. Click on the magnifying glass to search for your song. Type the name of the song. Then select it to open it. Now click on these three dots to open the Spotify code. Now click on it to expand it, and there is going to give you the option to download it or to save it to your photos. Now go to the photo galleries on your phone, select it, and you can share it via email or via Drive. I'm going to save it on the Drive so I can open it on my computer. Click on these three dots, look for the Drive, select it, and save it. Now we're going to go back to the computer. Open the Drive on your computer, select the image with the Spotify code, click on the three dots, and download it. Now go back to Inkscape. Click on File, Import, select the folder where you saved the Spotify code, select it, and open it. Once here, click on the square and draw a rectangle on top of the Spotify code. Click on the top arrow, select both layers, right-click, and set clip. And there we have our Spotify code. This one has a background. Now I'm going to show you how to remove that background. I'm going to duplicate this one, place it on the side. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to go to Path on the menu above. Then I'm going to select Trace Bitmap. You will see a new window on the right. I'm going to select Single Scan, then Apply. Now you're going to see the full picture, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to erase it. Erase the one with the background. Now click twice on this layer, then select the area you wish to erase and erase it. Now this one has a transparent background. You can use the one that best suits your needs. The one that doesn't have a background is perfect for Cricut. You can cut it with vinyl. Since I'm going to customize using Sublimation, I'm going to use the one with the background. Now below the code, we're going to type the name of the song and the singer. Click on the A on the left and start typing on the canvas. To change the font, click on the T on the right and scroll down until you find the font of your liking. I'm using Arial on bold for the top text, and from the bottom I'm going to use Arial regular. And we're done with the design. I'm going to remove the rectangle and place it on the side. We don't need that one. We're going to select all the layers, right-click, and group. I'm going to show you how to print it, but before I'm going to show you how to save it on your computer. Click on this icon on the right, and you're going to see this window. Here on DPI, make sure you type 300. Then click on this folder, name it, and save it on PNG format. Now I'm going to show you how to print it. I'm going to print these two to customize two plaques, one in acrylic and one in glass. Go to File, click on Print, select your Sublimation printer, go all the way down and click on More Settings. Select letter size or the size you're printing. Click on Landscape. On paper type, select Premium Presentation Matte. On quality, you're going to select High, Color, Print Preview, then go to More Options, And here, make sure it's not on mirror image. For sublimation, we always click on mirror image, but in this case, we don't need mirror image. Click OK, then print. And this is how it's going to look. If everything is okay, click on print. To print my sublimation designs, I am using my Epson EcoTank ET4800 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorials on my channel. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to customize one acrylic plaque and one glass plaque. Both of them have different sizes. The glass one measures 5 by 7 inches and the acrylic 6 by 8 inches. Also, I'm going to press them separately because they need to be pressed at a different temperature and time. These sublimation plaques are from pydlife. I'm going to link them in the video description down below. Align the design on the plaque and secure it with heat-resistant tape. Before placing the design and pressing, make sure you remove the protective layer. To press these sublimation designs, I'm going to be using my pydlife heat press machine. I'm going to link it in the video description down below, along with all the supplies used in this tutorial. Before pressing, make sure you adjust the pressure depending on the material that you're going to press. I'm going to press the glass plaque first, and this one is going to be pressed for 180 seconds at 374 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 2 pieces of butcher paper on top before pressing. And let's see how it turned out. It's beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous. This is the glass plaque. Now we're going to press the acrylic plaque. This one is going to be pressed at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 120 seconds. And this other one is ready. I'm going to remove the paper, but I'm going to leave it there to cool down. Right now it's flexible. I like to put a piece of butcher paper on top, and then I put a heavy cutting board on top and let it cool down. Like this will stay flat. And it's ready. Beautiful. Now we're going to place them on the vase. This glass and acrylic plaques are from pydlife Amazon. I'm going to link them in the video description down below. I love how they turn out. They are gorgeous. These ones are perfect for personal use or for gifts. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to create LED Spotify song plaques using the sublimation technique. If you like this tutorial, I invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.